Storite upgraded version SATA Optical UltraBay, second hard drive Caddy with SSD or HDD for 9.5mm universal CD/DVD slot. This universal SATA Optical Bay hard drive adapter lets you add a second hard drive to the laptop systems. With the second hard drive, you can quickly store and backup critical data. It supports SATA to all laptops with SATA interface. This model supports all laptops with SATA DVD-ROM connection. Add this Caddy to your laptop to give you another hard drive. Simply remove your CD/DVD-ROM drive and put the Caddy in its place. This is a good working adapter. You do not need AC adapter. External case is for 9.5mm SATA DVD drive. You will only get a case and the drive is not included. It supports plug and play. It is fast and reliable. It is fully integrated into laptop. No cables PSU software driver is needed. It has a dual boot. It supports installation of second operating system on the second HDD and boot selection. It is made up of aluminum alloy and it is great for heat dissipation. The package contains 9.5mm hard drive Caddy, faceplate, screwdriver and 4 screws.